Suppose the Fellini company wants to sell preferred stock at $100 per share. A similar issue of preferred stock, already outstanding, has a price of $40 per share and offers a dividend of $1 every quarter. What dividend will Fellini have to offer if the preferred stock is going to sell? So here we are dealing with a preferred stock. Preferred stock is a perpetuity because you get a fixed dividend over the life of the company, and because the company doesn't have an end life, or in this case a corporation doesn't have an end life, therefore the preferred stock is considered to be a perpetuity. So we use the perpetuity formula, which says that PV equals to C over R. C and R should have the same frequency. So this is the formula that we are going to be dealing with, or we're going to be using for this example. So here the problem is saying we're trying to determine the dividend that Fellini has to offer for the preferred stock to sell, and we are going to use a similar issue. So there is a company with similar risks, similar characteristics, that was able to sell its preferred stock for $40 per share, and they were able to give a $1 dividend every quarter. So here we need to determine the return that the similar issue gives, and then Fellini needs to provide shareholders with a similar return because it has the same both companies have similar characteristics and similar type of risk, and so they both should provide similar returns. So first we look at the similar issue. Okay, the issue has a price of $40 per share and a dividend of $1 per share. $1 per share per quarter. So for the similar issue, we do know that PV, this is also a perpetuity, it's a preferred stock. PV equals to C over R. We need to find the R, we need to find the interest rate. And the interest rate, if you move the formula around, so here I'll do R times PV equals to C, which means that R, the interest rate, equals to C over PV. C, we do know it's $1 per quarter, and the price is $40. So if you were to calculate this, you're going to find that the return is about 0.025 or 2.5%. Okay, so this is the return that Fellini is providing, and no, this is the return that the similar company is providing, and Fellini needs to have the same return. So based on this information, we need to calculate the dividend that Fellini is providing. So here Fellini's, okay, then we also are looking at a perpetuity out of preferred stock, so PV equals to C over R. We want to know the C because the C is the cash flow that the preferred stock is providing, or in this case it's the dividend. So this is what we're looking for. This means that C equals to PV times R. PV is the price of the stock, okay, so the price of the stock is $100, and the return that the Fellini needs to provide is 2.5%. So we multiply by 0.025. This gives a dividend of $2.5, but this is a quarterly return, so this is per quarter. So for Fellini's to be able to sell, it needs to provide or give to its shareholders $2.5 every quarter if it wants to sell at $100.